Hey, y'all. I know I'm off, but I say, you know what? Let me get up real quick so y'all can be informed um about the new information that I just got. So let me turn that on. Yeah, but y'all come on in here. Come on in here. Tax season. I just got some updates straight from the IRS, y'all. Straight from the IRS. Y'all know I'm off today, but I promised that I was going to keep y'all up to date. So I'm going to keep my word. I jumped in here. I said, let me get in here and tell them that the start date is February 12th, 2021. If you can hear the sound of my voice, please like this video, share this video, and comment where you listening from for me, please. This is going to help not only you, but other people as well. So I want us to each one teach one, reach one. So please like this video, share this video, and comment where you are listening from. And we're going to get started. Like I said, the IRS starts February 12th. They're going to start taking returns February 12th. E-filing. Okay, guys? Go ahead and like this video, share this video. I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see Quincy, Florida. Hey, Kayla. Like I say, I saw your message. I am off today, so y'all probably not going to hear anything from me after this, but I definitely want you guys to have this information. I know everybody was waiting, and I know yesterday, remember I told y'all, somebody was like, oh, it's going to be January 18th, and I was like, no, I'm projecting January 27th or later. I was right. It's February 12th. That's the date, guys. That's the date. But I want y'all to see this for yourself. I like for y'all to be informed because it is very important. Okay. Let me show you guys. I'm going to show y'all all these deadlines. Let me show y'all my screen so that we can go through this together. And if you guys have any questions for me, you can ask them. Wait a minute. There we go. Application. We're going to go through it, guys. We're going to go through it. PMath has got y'all covered. Can I make this bigger? There we go. You probably can't see it that well, but like I always do, I'm going to add the link for you guys, but I'm going to read this to you guys, tell you what it says and what you should be doing. If you have some questions, always feel free to put them on the video. Please like this video, share this video if you can hear the sound of my voice. Please do that for me. If you are enjoying the content that I am bringing to you, you can show that appreciation by liking and sharing this video for me. All right, guys, let's get into it. You probably can't see it as clear as I can, but that's cool because I'm going to read it out to you so you can know what they are talking about. All right, guys, 2021 tax filing season begins February 12th. All right, the IRS outlines steps to speed up refunds during pandemic. The Internal Revenue Service announced that the nation's tax season will start on Friday, February 12th, 2021, when the tax agency will begin accepting and processing 2020 tax returns. The February 12th start date for individual tax return filers allowed the IRS time to do additional programming and testing of the IRS system following the December 27th tax law changes that provided a second round economic impact payments and other benefits. Remember, I talked to y'all about that, how everything was updating, and I was telling people I'm not really putting anything in the system till all this stuff is fixed because I want your stuff to be right. So there you have it. I wasn't trying to be anal. I'm telling y'all, it's a lot going on, okay? This programming work is critical to ensuring the IRS system runs smoothly. If filing season were open without the correct programming in place, then there could be a delay in issuing refunds to taxpayers. These changes ensure that eligible people will receive any remaining stimulus money as a recovery rebate credit when they file their 2020 tax return. Y'all know we talked about that this morning. If you missed that video, go to my YouTube and you should be able to find it. To speed up refunds during the pandemic, the IRS urged taxpayers to file electronically with direct deposit as soon as they have the information they need. Y'all hear me? Direct deposit. If you don't do direct deposit, your refund may be delayed even longer. So let's get things in order so you can get these refund checks direct deposit. Okay, guys? What else they said here. Where did I leave off, y'all? Look at me, don't forget. Okay, to speed up process. Okay, direct deposit. People can begin filing their tax returns immediately with tax software companies including IRS free file partners. These programs are starting to accept tax returns now, like the free program. We can send them in, but remember, they're not taking them until February 12th. Okay, we can do that, but we want to make sure all this stuff is right before we do that. This start date will ensure. Nope, I'm not there. Sorry, y'all, I'm not there. Planning for the nation's filing season process for is a massive undertaking, and IRS teams have been working nonstop to prepare this, as well as delivering economic impact payments in record time, said IRS Commissioner Chuck Riddick. Even the pandemic, Given the pandemic, this is one of the nation's most important filing seasons ever. I told y'all that time and time again. This start date will ensure that people get their needed tax refunds quickly, while also making sure they receive any remaining stimulus payments that are eligible for as quickly as possible. Last year, average tax refund was more than $2,500. More than 150 million tax returns are expected to be filed this year, with the vast majority being before the Thursday, April 15th deadline. Under the PATH app, the IRS cannot issue a refund involving the Earned Income Tax Credit or Additional Child Tax Credit before mid-February. We talked about that yesterday, remember? The law provides this additional time to help the IRS stop fraudulent refunds and claims from being issued, including the identity thieves. The IRS anticipate a first week of March refund from many EITC and HCTC taxpayers if they file electronically with direct deposit. Keyword, with direct deposit. And there is no issue with their returns. This would be the same experience for taxpayers if the filing season opened in late January. Taxpayers will need to check where's my refund for their personalized refund date. Overall, the IRS anticipate 9 out of 10 taxpayers will receive their refund within 21 days of when they file electronically with direct deposit. If there is no issue with their tax return, the IRS urges taxpayers and tax professionals to file electronically to avoid delays in processing. People should avoid filing paper returns wherever possible. Okay? Tips for taxpayers to make filing easier. Okay, so that's that basic part. So let's talk about the tips for taxpayers to make it easy. So to speed up your refund and help with your tax filing, the IRS urge you to follow these simple steps. Yeah, listen to this. Okay, file electronically and use direct deposit for the quickest refund. So there are some things that you can do. Say, for instance, you don't have a bank account. If you have like those little chime cards or whatever it is, like little money loading cards, I believe most, if not the majority of them, already have like a routing number and account number where you actually can get direct deposit on it. So get with your company who you're using your card with and find out that information. Most of you probably already know that information. Okay. Check IRS for the latest tax information, including the latest on economic impact payments. There is no need to call. You can check all that stuff online. That's what they're telling you, or go to your tax professional and they should be able to help you. For those who may be eligible for stimulus payment, they should carefully review the guidelines for the Recovery Rebate Credit. Remember, we went over this today. I'm telling y'all, it's going to be real. Most people receive the economic impact payments automatically, and anyone who receives the maximum amount does not need to include any information about their payments when they file. Remember, I told you I received all of my information, so I don't have to worry about it, because I received all my money, so we don't have to worry about it here at the Hodge family. But you may have to worry about it because you may have got partial payment, you may got no payment, okay, or you probably got payment but not all of your payment. Okay, so with that, if you got all your payment, don't be messing with that, because that is not for you. Okay, next, however, those who did not receive payments or only receive partial payments may be eligible to claim the Recovery Rebate Credit when they file their 2020 tax returns. Tax preparation software, including the IRS free file, will help taxpayers figure that out. My software will help you figure it out. I already know how to figure it out on paper, because I like to know how to do things on paper, because things happen, things shut down, inauguration coming, we don't know what's going to happen. So if I got to be in here doing paper for my clients until it do what it do, then that's what I'm going to be doing. but right now we look like we should be okay. Remember, advanced stimulus payments received separately are not taxable, and they do not reduce the taxpayer refund when they file in 2021. Okay? Got it. Key filing season dates. January 29th, Earned Income Tax Credit Awareness Day to raise awareness of valuable tax credits available to many people, including the option to use prior year income. Today, free filing starts. Get with us if you want to get. If you can't afford to wait to February 12th, see me. I have cash advance options up available to you guys. If you want to do that, we can do that and see if you can qualify to get a cash advance up to $6,000. So I know a lot of people may not be able to wait to February 12th and you need some money now. If you have your information, get with me and I would love to work with you so we can go ahead and get you started and get you applied for the cash advance. February 12th, IRS begins 2021 tax season, including tax return. Individual tax returns begin being accepted and processing begins. February 22nd, projected date for the IRS where my refund tool to begin update for those claiming EITC and ACTC, also referred to as the path at return. So that will be updated for projected and ready for you on February 22nd. First week of March, tax refunds begin reaching those claiming EITC and ACTC. Path at return for those who file electronically with direct deposit, and there is no issues with your tax return. Okay. April 15th, of course, as you know, is the deadline for filing 2020 tax returns. October 15th, deadline for those requesting an extension. So remember I told y'all at the tax season, I'm still working to October 15th. That's because I have clients that automatically file extensions because they're always going to file their taxes late because they're really not looking for a refund. They just need to do their taxes. So I always work through October 15th. So what I do is on April 15th, I take a break. I take about 2 months of a break, and then I get back to working on those people that need to get their taxes done through October 15th. So that's why y'all see that I say, oh, I got to go back to work in October because I need to finish those things. But until so like April, May, June, July, I'm on vacation. So 4 months. 4 months I'm on vacation, right? And then in August, September, and October, I pick back up to finish out filing those tax returns that did not finish up on April 15th. But I do take about a 4-month break after all this right here that we have going on. And then I take another 2 months after I finish that. After October, I go on break until the new year. And then I get back to work outside of tax season. So anything other than that, I am working. All right. And that, okay. Although tax season frequently begins in late January, there have been 5 instances in 2007 when filing season did not start for some taxpayers until February due to law changes made just before the start of tax time. Remember, I told y'all that yesterday. That is why we are starting February 12th. I told y'all to bear with me, and I was going to come to y'all, bring y'all the tea, bring what y'all need to know. Anybody that you hear say, oh, I already filed my taxes, more than likely, they went into someone's tax office to apply for fast cash advance on their tax return. Let me put this up for you guys so you can have this. Listen, y'all, I'm going to be dropping gems on y'all all year, helping y'all get what y'all need to be successful. I don't want to hear no complaining, y'all. I don't want to hear no complaining letter later. Oh, I didn't know, P. Oh, you knew. You knew. Let me find it. Let me find out. Let me find out. Y'all knew. Y'all know. But I want y'all to be good. Seriously. Like, no, all jokes aside, I really want y'all to be serious. Where's this thing on picture? All right, here we go. Let me tell y'all. Who needs their taxes done? Who haven't started their taxes? Who hasn't started their taxes? That's why I'm not even stressing my clients. Like, I don't want to stress them because I know that I knew the tax season was going to start late. I knew that. I said it. I said, oh, this is going to be late. We're going to be late because we got so many things changing and you want your tax return to be right. I'm telling y'all, don't let these people hustle y'all. Because if you get hustled, that's going to be you. Here we go, y'all. You can file with me. If you want to file with me, I service all 50 states, guys. All 50 states in the U.S. I also service U.S. Virgin Islands. If you need help, get with me. Here's my information. I am completely virtual. You can download my app in the App Store by searching P Mathis, and you'll see that little green globe that you see at the bottom of this picture. Download it. It's free. You can go ahead and start putting in your information and sending it over to me, and I can get working on your taxes. I have 2 comments. Let's see who is commenting. I haven't filed. All right. If you ready to file, Ms. Walker, please come see me. I'm not getting my notifications. Miss Bradley. Okay, I'll figure out why you're not getting your notification, because you should have gotten a text from me asking if you will be filing with us again this year. But if you didn't, that's okay. I know you are. I just still like to send, y'all know I like to send those text messages out every year. But you probably, you should have, because your last name is B. So we worked on, we're doing it in alphabetical order. So I'll get with my assistant to figure out why you're not getting any notifications. And I hope, just let me know if any of your information changed, and then we can update that. You can inbox me that. Are there negatives to getting a cash advance? Not necessarily. Pretty much we bite the bullet for you guys to even apply for it. If you are going through a tax office, there will be interest if you decide to get more than the non-interest amount. And let me pull it up. I'll tell you all what it is this year. Let me stop sharing this. Let me get out of here. Give me 1 second, y'all, so I can pull up my software. But I do want to make sure y'all can't see my computer, because that is confidential. Okay, y'all can't see it. Okay, good. Let me pull it up. I'll tell y'all what the fees are. Y'all know me. I like to dot all my I's, cross all my T's. Because if you don't, people be hating, and then they be like, "Oh, she said." You know that P Mathis said we was supposed to be like, I'm gonna be like, nah, that ain't what I said. Don't be telling that tale on me. Okay, let me see, guys. Hold on 1 second. Let me open up my software. I'm gonna open up my software for y'all, and I'm gonna give y'all the tea. And no, I do not use MetaBank. I get that question all the time. So now that's like a new thing for me. No, I do not use MetaBank. I use Savista. So we are not using MetaBank. Most of my people that apply for the cash advance haven't had any problems. I really haven't had any problems with people. Most of the time when I have somebody that don't get approved, they already done went to another tax office and tried to apply for a cash advance, because it's not a loan, it's a cash advance. Yeah, they be trying it like, we're not gonna know that you done already been to somebody. And I be asking people like, have you already went to somebody? They be like, no. But clearly you did, because my system is telling me that your return belongs to that. Your return has already been processed. So clearly you been somewhere. Give me a minute. Let me transmit, y'all, so I make sure I get all these updates. But I got y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all, but no, really, all in all, there's really no negatives to getting the advance. Only thing is, if you line on your tax return and you get that money, I gotta update. Let me do my update first, guys. And you get that money, you gotta pay it back. So if the IRS decrease your refund and you got your cash advance plus your other money before they decrease it, you gotta pay that money back. But normally, if you're doing what you're supposed to do, there's no disadvantage to it. But you got to be being honest, y'all. You got to be honest with these taxes, man. Don't let taxes steal your joy and steal your freedom. It ain't worth it. And after this, I'm finna get out of here, y'all. Y'all know I'm off. It's my daddy's birthday. But as promised, I'm going to keep y'all updated. I told y'all, when I get the notification, I'm going to get up and I'm going to give y'all what y'all need. Boom, boom, boom. All right, let's see what they talking about. Yeah, I know I'd be so happy on Fridays. I'm really normally off by 12 o'clock on Friday, but this Friday I'm not working at all. Besides giving y'all this info, giving y'all this key, because I know y'all want it. And if your tax preparer should be giving this information to you as well. And if you're looking for a new tax preparer or tax accountant, please think of me. I would love to work with you. But do your research. I always tell y'all to do 3 interviews. Interview 3 tax preparers. Interview them. Yes. Your fees will come out of your tax return. You can pay your fees out of your tax return at my office. You definitely can. Yes, you can. Yes, yes, and yes. All right. Let's see. Where is my dummy return? Let's do a better. All right. 8079. I want to. I had to do a dummy return, y'all. Sorry. So I can oh no. I want a bank product. 5. There we go. Yeah, y'all. Like, check if a balance due return. Authorized giving no balance is due. Choices, press shares. That's my pen. Alrighty. All right, let's see what we gonna get. Bank app. See how much is it. Boom, 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 boom. All right, so I'm in here now, guys. So check to apply for fast cash advance with the subsequent RT card deposit or check. Annual percentage rates for the advance amounts of 500 to 6,000 is 39.95% and 35.95% if you are active duty member of the armed force. Bank will determine the approval amount. Okay, so remember I told y'all anything below that amount that's that you're asking for would be if it's anything below 500 would not be no interest on it. 500 and above will have interest on it, if that makes sense. Okay, and you can pay no upfront fees at my office. You can pay out of your pocket, out of your tax return. So you don't worry about no upfront fees. Upfront is easier because then you don't have to worry about that additional bank charge for using the bank to pay me out of your refund. So you will see, of course, my fee, and then you also gonna see the bank charges because you're using it to take out of your refund. So that's the only thing that you really need to worry about. But yeah, so those are the percentages. So 39.95 out of your refund. And then let me see if I'm just gonna make a dummy return. Hold on. Let's go here. Let me go back to the front of my page. 12 months. I know a lot about this client, so it's a little bit easier for me to make a dummy return on them because I know a lot about them. Alrighty. We're in baking. We're gonna put 20,000 there. I'm just making a dummy return, just like if I was to do her return, and I know what hers be looking like. So she's self-employed. Okay. So I'm done right here with her return. Right. So I'm gonna go to the bank product. Can't show you it because it's confidential. Hold on one moment. Her refund amount, and we're gonna be doing a COVID. This is a business owner, so we're gonna also be doing our COVID discounts. So we do have COVID discounts, guys. Okay, good. I was just looking to try to see what they was offering her. I was trying to see what they was gonna offer her. Okay, so this tax payer, her refund amount, projected refund amount, if this was really her return, would have been is $45.75 after all of her fees in her I gotta give her the COVID discount. Let me go to COVID because I gotta add that. We do COVID. We're doing COVID discs as well. because that is important to me when we having this pandemic. So I do have a COVID discount. I'll take that loss just so that my clients can see a better return, because I know how it is out there, y'all. Okay, so her return amount is $45.75 after all of her fees. She's gonna get $31.0905. But because I have her applying for the fast cash advance, they are projected to approve her at 2,000. Okay, projecting to approve her at 2,000. She does have a little finance charge. That's where that interest coming in at that 87.56. And then once tax season start, yeah, those percentages are average. And then once tax season start, she will get 1,021.49. So she'll get 2,000 now up front. And then when tax season start, IRS accepts her return. There's no problems. She will get the additional 1,021 in her bank account. So that's how that works. Okay. Just matter of fact, I can kind of like show y'all how that works. Take a picture of it, because I can't show you her information. So I'm going to show you that area. Remember, these are estimates, but this is how this works. Come on, little thing. Take the picture. It ain't even doing it right because I wanted y'all to see all the information. There we go. Still cutting off the 3. Maybe I need to go up a little bit more. There we go. Here we go. Now I got something to show y'all. There we go. Turn this up. Boop, 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 boop. Share screen. Application. Play sound. All right, application. All right, guys. Here you go. So this is, see if I can zoom it in. Guess they don't have a zoom button. Uh-oh. Zooming in. There we go. So y'all see that? Y'all see this right here? This is where it comes in at. So that's the percentage. That's for active duty right there. That's her fast cash advance based off her refund amount. This is her finance charge, amount paid after the advance. That's once the IRS accept it, and then they get their money, they pay us, and they pay them the remaining. As you can see, that was estimated amount. When you see the refund amount, that's an estimated amount until the IRS approve it. The actual amount paid directly to you may be less if the IRS does not send us your full refund of you owe any outstanding debt that you authorize us to collect from your refund. For prepaid cards, this amount will be paid directly to you by the disbursement option selected above. The customer will receive a true TILA upon approval for advance amount. Okay, let me stop sharing. And I'm going to have to take this video down because I think some of that information showed, and I'll take it down and put it back up after I edit it, guys. But yeah, so that's that. That is tax season. Tax season starts February 12th, guys. February 12th. Any questions? Put it in the comments and I'll answer them for you. I'll see y'all later. I need to go edit this video now because that little thing show and that should be showing. So I got to go edit this video and I will holler at y'all later. Bye.